Today we'll be making my favorite Brie and prosciutto croissant. First, we'll need croissants. Today I'll be using store-bought. Slice your croissants in half. Spread a generous layer of jam. Today I'll be using raspberry, but another favorite of mine is fig. Slice your Brie cheese and we'll place these on our croissants. Bake at 350 for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your croissants should be toasted and your Brie should have melted. Add in 2 to 3 slices of prosciutto. Then drizzle some honey and there you have it, delicious Brie and prosciutto croissant.